So I am here to clear that up for you ladies if anybody was confused, because I noticed when I told someone that my procedure was done by a board certified cosmetic surgeon, they flipped out. And they was like, oh my gosh, how dare you have a cosmetic surgeon do your surgery? They don't blip. We're about to clear this up today. So before we get into the video, I thought this would be a good time to go ahead and just do a quick update of what I'm looking like at 10 months post-op. Full tummy tuck, muscle repair, liposuction of the lower flanks, and also a reconstructed belly button, or just my brand new belly button. Ladies, at 10 months, I can say that I feel like everything is healing great and everything is looking good. Let's go ahead and throw in a quick side-by-side of what I looked like before. Just in case you are new to this channel, this is what your girl was working with before her procedure. As you can see, it was a mess. As I said before, if I could go back, I would definitely do this again. I feel like this is one of the best decisions that I have made as far as my body image goes. I would do it again. Yeah, so this is how things was looking before, and I just feel like everything is progressing the way it should be. Let's take a look at the belly button up close a little bit. I like it because it does not look like a slit. I've seen several ladies whose belly buttons look like a slit, and I hate it. I think mine's is great. So that is how things are going, and that's what I'm working with right now. Yeah. If you guys have any questions, as always, leave them in the comment section. I will respond. I don't respond to negativity. Actually, I do, but not all the time. All right, so in today's video, I wanted to talk to you ladies about the differences between a board certified plastic surgeon and then a board certified cosmetic surgeon. My procedure was done by a board certified cosmetic surgeon. The reason that I wanted to make this video is because I have seen so many ladies say that whenever you are researching for your surgeon to do your cosmetic procedure, such as a tummy tuck, a breast augmentation, mommy makeover, BBL, liposuction, etc., I always hear a lot of ladies say to search for a board certified plastic surgeon. I think that there is a misconception of the two, meaning a board certified plastic surgeon and a board certified cosmetic surgeon. They are basically two different entities that are working in surgery, but they both do two separate things. I think a lot of ladies confuse a plastic surgeon with a cosmetic surgeon. However, they both do surgery, but the type of skill sets are completely different. All right, so in order to understand the differences between the two, we first have to understand what plastic surgery is and also what cosmetic surgery is. Cosmetic surgery is the surgery of appearance, meaning it is elective and focuses on aesthetic beauty. That's cosmetic surgery. Plastic surgery is reconstructive, that it focuses on a body part that has been damaged through trauma, birth defects. Any type of reconstructive surgery is covered under insurance. However, cosmetic surgery is not covered under insurance because it's elective. It's a choice. Like, there's nothing wrong with that body part. It's functioning properly. You just don't like the way that it looks. Perfect example. Okay, so let's just say that somebody was in a car wreck, and within that car wreck, a person's leg was mangled, in the car wreck. So that person's leg is not going to be functioning properly like the way that it should before they had that car wreck. So when that person gets to the hospital, they are not going to call a cosmetic surgeon to come reconstruct that patient's leg. They are going to call a plastic surgeon to come and do that work, because a plastic surgeon has had the proper education, the proper training, and also has the proper credentials to reconstruct that patient's leg back to a normal functioning manner. A cosmetic surgeon cannot go into a hospital and reconstruct a mangled leg from a car wreck. They don't have the training, and they don't have the education, and they do not have the accreditations to do such a thing. So that's why I'm saying we have to separate that. Because a lot of people think that you have to go to a plastic surgeon in order to get a tummy tuck, a BBL, liposuction, you know, things of that nature. A facelift, breast augmentation. You don't go to a plastic surgeon for those things. You go to a certified cosmetic surgeon. Plastic surgeons is big, they big dogs. They not just to come out and play because somebody want an eyebrow lift. That's not what a plastic surgeon is for. A plastic surgeon, if you got your face crushed and your bones is crushed in your face, a plastic surgeon is going to come and fix that because your face is not functioning the way that it's supposed to be because you had a trauma that crushed the bones in your face. So they have to come in and rebuild and reconstruct that. Cosmetic surgery cannot do that. They focus on the appearance of a body part that you don't like. Now, also, I think where a lot of misunderstanding come in at is when you say, I need to seek out a board certified cosmetic surgeon. You need to do just that. Seek out a board certified, a real board certified cosmetic surgeon, because a dermatologist can say that he can do a tummy tuck. A dermatologist can say that he can do a facelift. However, he has not really had all of that training in the education and don't have the credentials to actually do it. But because he's already considered an MD, because he's a dermatologist, he can say that he can do cosmetic surgery, but he actually, in fact, cannot. He can perform it, but he don't have the right proper credentials in the education and training to actually deliver. So when a person says, hey, I want to go get a tummy tuck, it is okay if you're looking up board certified cosmetic surgeons. That is what they do. That's what they're there for. A cosmetic surgeon cannot do what a plastic surgeon can do. However, a plastic surgeon can do reconstructive surgery and also what a cosmetic surgeon can do. However, a cosmetic surgeon cannot do what a plastic surgeon can do, but a plastic surgeon can alter between the two. They can do the plastic surgery part and they also can do cosmetic surgery part, because plastic surgeons have a higher level of education, a higher level of training, a higher level of accreditation. So they can do both. But a cosmetic surgeon can only do cosmetic surgery. They can only alter the appearance of a body part that's already working and functioning properly, but the person just does not like the way that it looks. A cosmetic surgeon cannot reconstruct a whole leg that's been blew off. A plastic surgeon can do that. A plastic surgeon can do that. A cosmetic surgeon cannot reconstruct an entire facial bone area that has been crushed due to a car wreck. A plastic surgeon can do that. A cosmetic surgeon cannot. A cosmetic surgeon can give you a brow lift. A cosmetic surgeon can do your tummy tuck. A cosmetic surgeon can give you liposuction. A cosmetic surgeon can do your breast augmentations. A cosmetic surgeon can give you Botox. Like a board certified cosmetic surgeon. Don't go to a clinic doctor that says he can do cosmetic surgery, but he's not board certified, because he's just doing it just because he has an MD already. So you got to be careful with that with cosmetic surgeons. Make sure it is a board certified cosmetic surgeon and not just a dermatologist that decides, I want to do liposuction, I want to do BBLs. No. So that's pretty much all the explanation that I have for the difference between a board certified plastic surgeon and a board certified cosmetic surgeon. My procedure was done by a board certified cosmetic surgeon. Not a plastic surgeon, a cosmetic surgeon, board certified cosmetic surgeon, because that is what they go to school for. I don't know why people think because it's a cosmetic surgeon that they shouldn't do, because that's what they go to school for, is to be able to alter the natural appearance of somebody who wants to change it. So when people say, I'm looking for a board certified plastic surgeon to do my BBL, you are going to be out of a whole bunch of money because you're trying to bring this big dog down to do something that you should be paying a cosmetic surgeon for. That's pretty much all I have for y'all in this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the comments. And thank y'all so much for subscribing. And I hope to see y'all in my very next video.